Can you pull yourself up? Come on, get up there. Get up there, little wild stallion. Most excellent. Come on. Climb your butt up there. There you go. Get the whoop. He's like, well, Daddy, you took all the fun out. You gave me sunlight. No, there we go. Look at that. Pulling himself up, standing up. Ooh.
Hold on.
Excuse you. You okay? Nope. Get them legs working, man. Maddox.